Hey, cat lovers! Here are cat training secrets every pet owner needs to know. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something many people don't believe is possible. Discover the art of training your cat. Yes, cats can be trained, and in this video, you'll learn the best cat training tips, how to correct unwanted cat behavior, and even teach your kitty fun tricks like high five and fetch. So grab some treats, get cozy, and let's jump in. Why train your cat? Cats are intelligent animals, and with positive reinforcement cat training, you can actually train your cat to follow commands, stop scratching furniture, and even improve their overall behavior. Some key benefits of cat training are to get a better bond, less stress, and more fun with your furry friend. What can you teach a cat? You can teach your cat to sit, come when called, train her to stop biting, and even teach her to use the toilet. Yes, seriously, some fun tricks may include high five, roll over, fetch, and jump through hoops. Keep your cat training sessions brief and enjoyable, ideally lasting only 5 to 10 minutes each day. Use clicker training for cats or a simple verbal cue to positively reinforce good behavior, then reward it. Use high-value cat training treats or your kitty's favorite toy. Don't punish your cat. Redirect instead. Never yell at or punish your cat. Instead, focus on redirecting cat behavior to something positive. For example, if your cat scratches the couch, redirect them to a cat scratching post and reward them for using it. Consistency and patience are key. Just build your bond. Training builds trust. Spend time playing with your cat, grooming them, or simply relaxing together. A bonded cat is a trainable cat. Use interactive play for training and keep things positive. Establish a routine with your cat. Cats thrive on routine. Feed them at the same time daily, have regular training time for cats, and make sure their environment is calm and safe. A steady schedule reduces stress and supports better behavior. Best Cat recommends training tools to help you start training your cat today, and our full blog serves as a complete guide on how to train both your cat and dog. You can find links to all of these in the description, and boom, you get it. Training secrets every pet owner needs to know. Training your cat is totally possible and fun. You just have to remember it or write it down simply. Use positive reinforcement, keep sessions short, be patient and consistent, and focus on bonding. If you love dogs, cats, and this guide, don't forget to get our full blog that is your complete guide in the description below, and hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss a thing from Keye Academy. And comment below with your cat's name and what trick you're going to teach first, or comment 7 so you can get our videos first priority. And also grab our full dog training starter kit and enroll in our masterclass for affiliate course training. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching and enjoy training.
Betrayal is a feeling, not a word anymore. You won't fall in love again. You've opened up too many